Okay, here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader for Tuesday, March the 9th, 2010. We had mentioned that in around the 34 to 36 area could act as support, and as you can see here overnight, the market actually dipped below that and got all the way down here to 31.50. By the way, these are market profiles. We always like to take a look at these market profiles in order to get a better indication of what we think the condition of the market is. In other words, does the market have a propensity to be rallying or selling off, or is it just consolidating? This profile is what occurred today. Every day has a market profile with the letters and its corresponding volume profile. So, and of course the one, this was yesterday and today. So the one in the middle here, the one I'm making reference to right now, this is what occurred in the Globex session, or the overnight session. So getting back to what I was saying, this was what we were anticipating as a support area, and the market actually gave us some really good opportunity to buy when it got below that in the overnight market. Of course, our system does not trade in the overnight, but some of our traders have actually expanded to swing trading because they really get a good handle on the condition of the market on an intraday basis, which of course allows for a day-to-day or swing type trading. Now, in the regular trading hours, in other words, at the beginning of the market at 9:30 this morning, Eastern U.S. time, New York time, the market opened right here, right in our area of a barrier of support, or at least what we were anticipating was support, and the market quickly moved above it. So a bullish sign, and it continued all the way up here to 45.25, and of course, we had been mentioning that the 48, of course, is the swing high, and that really is the target. Well, it obviously ran out of steam at 45, and it came all the way back down here and dropped almost, dropped about 9 points, and then had a bit of a bounce to close here late in the day. So it's as I said on the video yesterday, that we were anticipating that the market would likely have to pull back before it could rally again. Well, it did pull back today and did rally again today. So we think there's more rally to come. We're looking really in around that 37 area as good support, possibly 36, with a view to possibly getting up to the 48 area. So tomorrow may be a day of consolidation. There's no really big news out. There's the crude being released at 10:30, and then at 1400 or 2 o'clock Eastern time, the Treasury budget numbers are out. Big news, of course, is on Friday. So that's really what happened today. From a market condition standpoint, here's our individual daily profiles. We also like to use them to give us a better handle on what we think is going on in the market. Here's our here's our software that we use to drill down in time to actually identify our exact trades. We did have a long trade early in the day, got long here, and it rallied nicely. We actually held on to this all the way through till up in here, and we're stopped out in here. So that one moved just shy of 4 points in our favor and took 2 1/4 off in the final partial on that. As the market sold off, we did have another indication to get short, but we knew this was going against the grain. We did get short in here. It did not reach our first objective. We ended up either a scratch or a 1 point loss, depending on how our traders managed that. There's a couple of variables in here on managing that particular trade. So the worst case scenario was minus a point, and many of our traders would have been just break even on that trade. So just a couple of trades today, still on the plus side, which is good to see, and looking for some more up movement tomorrow. Not that we think it's going to be powerful or anything. As you know, the market rallies, it tends to do it kind of a slow motion fashion in many instances, and so getting up to this 48 area, it may not happen until later in the week. But that's really our overall view of the market. So I hope this helped you a little bit, and if you'd like to learn more about how we look at the market and our trades and our trading education, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com, and we'll get back to you right away. Thanks a lot for viewing the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.